Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, here with the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 8th of November 2015. So first up, got AN on the chart on the daily as per usual. So you'll notice the demand level from last week that I was looking at, and I mentioned our price was pretty close to the level as it was at the time, just over 100 pips away. But price started to turn up, and I identified this supply, marked that up in the members area, and so I've taken a short on that one. So we might see a short falling down through these green candles here. May get down to this area, but I'll be monitoring this trade to see how that pans out this week. What else have we got? So we've also got Swizzy Yen. There's the demand over there. Let's just move that out a bit. Okay, zoom out a bit. There we go. So we've got that base, drop base, quite a substantial rally. Price has come down with a few red candles there. Bit of a pause there, but there's still a few hundred pips until we get to that. Now, I normally like to see a sharp bounce away. We have had a sharp bounce, but then price has had a hard time getting back up from there. So I've got this one on the radar, as I like to see how this one pans out. So that's the Swiss yen trade. Potential trade. Let's move on to EA then. Okay, so price touched the level there, dropped deeper into the zone as well last week, and we've had quite a bounce. Let's have a look. A bounce over 150 pips with a range of almost, yeah, almost 200 pips there, 180 there. So we could still see the move up that we want from here. So just worth watching out for that one this week. Sticking with the euros then, let's have a look at, well, I'll just show you euro CAD quickly. I don't like how this is falling for a long. Obviously you like to see red candles only normally. So I'm not really watching that one at the moment. Let's move on to the one I'm looking at, which is EU. So I did have this level marked up previously, but we've had that pause right before the demand level. I'll show you what it looked like last week. I was looking at that. We've had that pause right before the zone. Prices making pretty convincing move downwards. So I would imagine that that would break. And if it does, then the next level is down here. Now, price has already hit this level. Here we've had one return already. I will trade up to the second bounce. So we'll see what happens with that. And we've got that supply up there as well. But yeah, we're very close to demand at the moment. Just over 100 pips or so away. Okay, now let's move on to GU. We've had quite a substantial fall on this one, as you can see. Red candles only coming into the zone. So this is the closest demand level. So yeah, literally just 60 pips away from that. I'll be watching for a potential reversal there. Now, you'll probably notice that most of the significant moves have been downwards. Got that one there, you've got that one there, and you've got this one. So trend is looking downward at the moment. But if we see retraces, then I'll be getting short as well. So it just depends on what we see first. But this is the clearest ST level at the moment. Now let's move on and look at dollar Swiss. Where is it? There we go. So I did have this level marked up previously. The price is heading pretty strong to the upside. Finished with a Momo candle last week. We're just a few pips shy of the original supply level. So this would be a second touch up to this one as well. So second touch up to daily supply, second touch down to daily demand on that GU. Now what was EU looking like? I can't remember. Yeah, it will be a second touch down there as well. So we may see some correlation on those pairs. I don't normally consider correlation too much, but I just look at the individual charts really. Now let's look at the last one, dollar yen. So yeah, so we've got a bit of a supply level. with a base, massive drop away. We've got green candles only at the moment, and we're just a few pips away from that supply. So I want to see what happens on this one as well. So those are the main pairs that I'm watching. Until next time, happy trading, guys.